Most people make the same mistake when their Google Play gift card stops working. They keep entering the code over and over until the account gets temporarily blocked. But here's the truth no one tells you. Many Google Play gift card issues in 2026 are caused by account settings, region problems, or simple verification errors. In this video I'll show you exactly how to fix a Google Play gift card that won't redeem, why the need more info error happens, and the fastest way to recover your balance without wasting hours contacting support. Stay until the end, because one mistake can permanently delay your refund or redemption request. First, let's get straight to the biggest problem users face. The "couldn't redeem this code" error. This is where most people fail. They assume the card is fake immediately. But before you panic, check the basics first. Slowly re-enter the code manually. Many users confuse letters and numbers. Jake thought his card was broken, but he accidentally entered the number 5 instead of the letter S. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Play gift cards are region locked in many cases. That means a US gift card usually only works on a US Google account. If your account country does not match the gift card region, redemption may fail instantly. Alex bought a discounted card online and kept getting errors for 2 days. The issue was not the card. His Google Play country setting was different from the gift card region. But here's the problem. Changing your region is not always instant. Google sometimes limits region changes to once per year. So before buying any gift card, always confirm the country compatibility first. In a minute, I'll explain the need more information to redeem this card message that's frustrating thousands of users right now. But first, try this quick fix. Clear the cache of the Google Play Store app. Then restart your phone and sign back into your Google account. Small app glitches can block gift card redemption temporarily. Now, let's talk about the verification issue. If Google flags the card for security reasons, you may see a request asking for more information. This often happens when cards are purchased from third-party sellers or redeemed on unusual devices. This is where many users get stuck. The fastest solution is uploading clear proof of purchase. That means the full receipt, the gift card image, and sometimes the packaging itself. John ignored the receipt after buying his card at a gas station. When the card failed, Google support asked for proof he no longer had. Without it, recovery became much harder. Another important tip is avoiding VPNs during redemption. Google's system may flag the account if the location suddenly changes. So here's the bottom line. Recheck the code carefully. Confirm your account region matches the card. Clear the Play Store cache. Avoid VPNs. And always keep your purchase receipt. If this video helped you fix your Google Play gift card problem, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which error message you were getting and which fix worked for you.